me, Hillary, back again. And
360.
today I'll be teaching you how to make slime. See, now I put this in the freezer, and now I'm mixing
No one wants to look at you.
and mixing
Honey,
and
no one wants to look at
mixing. You see,
Why are you making slime? No one wants to see that.
it looks like it's getting closer.
No, it looks like it's about to die.
And see, while you're mixing it,
Why are you mixing it what?
while you're mixing your slime, it like forms together, and when you know that, you can put it in the freezer so it won't be sticky. Okay, and now I'll be showing you how to make slime. I'll be right back. I'm coming right
Nobody
back.
wants to know how to make slime. Everybody got time for that. Everybody got time for that. Everybody got time.
And I'm back. Things you'll need is,
Where did I want to go?
I don't know, something to mix it on or in, but I'm using something to mix on. Soap, something to mix with, and toothpaste that you're not going to use anymore.
He's not going to use that toothpaste.
So you put soap on this thing you're going to mix on.
Wait, we're not going to be using that toothpaste. People use that toothpaste. I hope you know that. She's going down. I can't do anything about this.
There. And then you put
No, I don't want to risk that.
toothpaste on it.
She's going down.
Then close your toothpaste. Take the thing you're gonna mix with, and just mix.
She's going down. We hit turbulence. You know where I'm going?
Nope.
To heaven. That's where I'm going.
To where?
To heaven. And back. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this thing right here. I was about to hit this
Keep
thing.
mixing, and it'll look like
She's going
this.
down. Why are you using that? Honey, why are you using that?
Using that.
Why are you using my straw?
You don't need it.
Who told you I don't need it? Huh? Who told you I didn't need it?
You.
That's my straw. I didn't tell you anything.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I didn't say I didn't need it.
What are you gonna use it for? Put more soap on it, and then
I use it for my things.
mix. White soap is fine, because I use white soap for this one. Now you check
Okay, you
on
move.
your slime and mix.
I'm trying to fly here.
Mix.
I'm trying to fly here.
So, it looks like this. Keep mixing and mixing till it looks like it's not gonna stick. Put more soap on it. Then mix. If you're allowed to get messy, go ahead. Now, it just looks like this. Mixing and mixing. Keep mixing. If you think you're done, you can put that aside and touch. You see how it sticks? You see how it sticks to my hand?
No, I don't see how it sticks.
You can keep mixing it. Okay, you're done with that. When you're done with that, you can just head on to the freezer, and then put this in. I'll be right back.
Why don't you pause the thing?
Okay, I put it in the freezer. Now let's get started with our other one. Okay.
No,
This
don't get
one?
started. No.
A review. Okay, this one is the one that I made in my other video, but I forgot to film it, so
No,
here it is now.
You didn't film it at all.
So it looks sticky and it kind of moves around in the bowl. See? While it moves around in the bowl, see, you can mix and mix and mix. Okay, let's start mixing. You need a bowl and something to mix with. The same thing. If you want yours white, use white toothpaste and mix. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm in. While your other thing is cooling in the freezer, you can wait for at least 5 minutes. But right here, where I am, it's 9:53. So at 9:57, I'm gonna check on my other one. And so now, the one I was reviewing on, we're gonna start to mix. Mix till it looks gooey, and then
No, don't mix until it looks good. Mix
there's
until
gonna
it
be
looks like chocolate.
something on the side. Sorry
Wrong place.
for that.
Wait for what?
Mix. Just mix and mix. And mix. Okay. You see how it looks? Keep on mixing. And mix till it's like all sticky. Okay, now there's only 3 more minutes till 9:57. So I'm going to keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. Now it's time to check, but not take it out. You're going to check on it, take it out of the freezer, then check. I'll be right back.
No, you're not getting me right back.
We weren't casing the joint. Okay, the guy lives well. That don't mean we're robbing, but it does mean he's got money to pay people who help him. When the time comes, he'll do the right thing. If he don't, please, let me handle it.
And now I took it out of the freezer. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. And then put it back into.
Did you not just hear that person scream? You didn't just hear that person scream?
I heard it. Put it back into the freezer.
Don't put it back in the freezer.
Why?
Because she's lying to you. Don't do it, guys. Don't listen to her. She doesn't know what she's talking about. This year, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die.
Oh, hey.
Don't listen to her, guys. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Now our revealing one. Take that. If you know how to make slime better than this way or easier than this way, you can go on YouTube or you can make your own video.
You don't even know what you're doing.
You can show me. Okay. And you keep mixing. 1 more minute till I'll take it out. Or 2 more. If it's not, like, that's non-stickable. Yeah. That's it. Now, after you keep on mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing, you can touch and touch and touch. If you want to get messy, mix with your hands. If this is really cold, it's fine. You can easily wash it because you use soap. So you don't have to put extra soap on your hands. It's like you need another soap. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is wait 1 more minute. Wait 1 more minute, and then we're going to take it out of the freezer. So, that minute is done. So, now I'm going to go check on my slime in the fridge.
You know how long 1 minute is?
Okay, I took it out of the fridge, and it looks like this. It looks like that. You can easily mix it, or dab, 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 and dab for a long time.
Ooh, the skills, Helly, the skills. Did you not see that?
And if it's too sticky, add more toothpaste. So I'm gonna add more toothpaste because mine is still